Hey guys, it's Fans here. Welcome back to some more Star Wars: The Force Unleashed on Nintendo Switch, which is new to this Switch anyway. Welcome back to it, and this time we will be going to the Jedi Temple where Darth Vader said it was where our training is farly from being complete. So, but for Force Powers when I came back in, so I changed a bit because I exited the game. Because I wanted to see what was wrong with that second lag, and I had to delete some space from the Nintendo Switch. So, well, not delete, but archive some of the stuff. So, but I changed the lightsaber throw to Repulse when I came back into the game. So, because I love doing Repulse, so that's my favorite, one of my favorite power-ups I have. So, but everything else has not been changed. So, we're gonna be going to the Jedi Temple right now, guys. So, let's go to this Jedi Temple, shall we? Yeah, you can hear it sounds much better. So sorry for the last video if the audio was a bit off for a second for some reason. So, but it's better now.
This area is strictly off limits by order of the Emperor. Return to your ship immediately.
No, I won't. I won't. I won't. Okay, so we are gonna go through over here. See if there's anything down here. And there's nothing down here, so you always want to check down here when it comes to Jedi Temple, just in case there's something. But they don't change anything throughout the game from where they play stuff, so.
You there, down on the ground now.
You're down on the ground now. You.
Come on, trooper, shake it off.
Yeah, you just did. No. You dead? No. Now you are. Dead? Okay, good.
Get him!
That's 31 out of 200. I don't want just 200 holograms. A lot of artwork to go through.
Get him!
No, you don't. We're not dead yet. No, you are. Alright. Nerds. How do you know? My name is Stark. Oh, did I do that? And
open fire!
Yes. Oh, come on, there we go. Can't jump to get that big pistol. Check your surroundings. Start on you. You have the force. Everything.
Watch out!
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I hit you with a rock? Of course I did. Sorry. Not this. Very much. There.
Let's take this gun.
Not taking anybody out. Yeah. Aha. There we go. Alright, that's safe. Adios, amigos. Wait, did I see something over there? No, okay.
Where did you come from?
I don't know, out of space. Not die. Die. Thank you.
Over there.
Over where? There you go. Oh, hello.
Get him!
let him have it. There you go. Die. Thank you very much. Things. Like I said.
You will need all of your skill to survive. Control your fear. Let go of your anger.
Yeah, hits up the can.
A thousand Jedi died cursing Darth Decimus.
Whoever you are.
Now you too will scream my name.
No.
Feel the power of the dark side.
Oh, come on, block. Block. This was stuck up. There you go. Hey! That's my move. Alright, we're done. Health. You. My job is all done. I like on his shield. Boom! Your powers are weak, just like any other Jedi. Took a lot of health. Nice. What? Oh wait, not go towards him. Meant to grab a rock. Throw it. Grab a rock. Not kill, but that's fine. Grab a rock. Throw it at me.
I killed generations of Jedi.
Come on.
What hope?
I am no Jedi, dead man.
Yeah, I'm not a Jedi. Do you see the color of my lightsaber? It's not blue or green or purple. It's yellow.
Power of the dark side.
Red. I'm also part of the dark side. You're just challenging me. Yeah. Die. Oh, crap! Take this. Alright, there you go. Press the right button to grenade. Take that. There you go. Knock down the statue. Boom! Yeah, the only thing they changed to this game is the graphics.
Roxy, what are you doing
The
here?
graphics on the characters in the entire game is better.
My spies have located another
Not the
Jedi.
Jedi.
I do not expect you to survive. Castan Paratus is far more powerful than you. But if you destroy him, you'll be one step closer to your destiny.
The Emperor.
Oh yes.
Yes. Only together can we defeat him.
I will not fail you, Master.
Yeah, this kind of the voice really still reminds me of Maul from the Clone Wars. Unlock the new force power. Unlock Ventress for the dual mode. Cool, new crystal. I unlocked a new costume for the main game. The heavy armor. Heavy training armor, whatever. I can't say it. The purple one. Wait, what was that crystal I got? This is the one I have, the push ability. The choke abilities, but I'll keep it as the push one still. Alright, so heavy training gear it is. Perfect. And I still gotta get more force abilities. Yeah, ground slam. And all that, saber roll, detonate storm, strike. Yeah. Alright, let's continue on as we go to Raxus Prime to fight Cast Apparatus.
Amazing. It looks just like the Jedi Temple on Coruscant.
Yeah, this is when
Proxy, are you
Apparatus
picking
is
up any
done,
communications?
Too many
on
to
Raxus
decipher.
Prime, he builds
I can hear
Jedi
thousands of droids,
Temple
all
made
calling
of
out to each other.
junk stuff.
This is where all droids
Well, in the
go.
PS3 and Xbox
Set us down as
360
close to
and
that
PC
thing as you can
version,
get.
it's called the
I will do
Junk
my
Temple.
best, but there are not many clearings.
I still refer,
You'll need to
I still
approach the
refer to it as
temple
the Junk
on
Temple
foot.
because it's
Circle
the
back
Jedi
toward the
Temple
temple and
made
wait for my
junk
signal.
from a crazy Jedi after
Be careful.
Order 66 now. So, and I see a holocron behind Rogue Shadow. So don't be thinking I didn't see that. Don't be thinking I did not see that. I got you, sucker. Alright, hide in here. Oh, yep. Oh, there's two. You really gotta keep an eye on these holocrons, guys. Like I said, destroy stuff. Make sure you look around. You want to collect all these holocrons. So I get 35. Oh, guys. Killing all of them. No one can stop me now. Alright, cutscene. Oh. Hey, doggy. How you doing? Wolf. Hey, guess what I'm gonna do to you? Let's go, pal. Stay down, dog. Alright, kill the dog. Oh, right behind you. I'm ready. Let's get out of here. Wasting my time. Droids. I'm gonna take them down anyway at some point. All of them. Well, the amount of them. Blew myself up. That's okay, because I am still alive. Try that. Hey, hey, hey. Oh no. Another holocron. What? I let go of trying to get rid of you. There we go. Well, the more enemies I kill, the more points. Take this stupid dog. on, go. Phew. Oh, condoms. Huh. Bam. Oh. There. Oh. Get away from me. I can fight all these dudes at once. Making it hard. Just destroy that thing. That's 40. I'm thinking another one. Get away from me. That wasn't a junk food, but okay. Oh, what was that? Oh. Hello. Hello. What's your name, buddy? Your name is Bob the Builder? Oh no, your name is Behemoth. Okay. You're definitely gonna go with me. What? You block my move? How dare you block my move? You can't block my moves. Hey, do a ball on you. That's what I call it. Okay, I'll stop making jokes. I'm sorry. Take that! Hiya! Oh, shock at you. Shock you to block that. Got that. Do that to wall. Idiot! I didn't have to damage from that. Take this. Take that. There you go. I'm on your arm. What are you gonna do about it? I'll shock you with death. Where? Get that now. Who are you? What's your name? Please don't kill me.
Speak.
You don't kill me, heal me.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see if it'll hold. Hey buddy, see this bomb? Here you go. Oh, that's too bad. He died on his birthday. Oh well. How are you still alive? Thank you. Jesus. I'll see you during the battle with the junk behemoth. Alright. This Jackson bitch, you're welcome.
Some welcome.
Yeah. Just why those annoying junk comments.
I've heard better than your men.
I heard that too. Whatever you need.
I need to find Kaz and Piranhas.
The Jedi. Yes, I can help you find him. For
There will be no negotiating.
Thank you. Okay. Goodbye. Freeze. Oh. Bam. Let him go. Yeah. Let's go. Gotta go. Like Barney for that. It's a ATST walker then. I was jumping now. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh, dog. Goodbye. I know what to do with you. Hang on, come here. Stop. There's the camera. There you go. Goodbye. Stop doing. Did it just vanish? Okay. I guess I'm safely gonna move on now. Goodbye. Oh no, I want to get that health. Oh well. Ah. No. Yeah. But not you. That's it. Game me back. There you go. Destroy this. Can you move? Ow. 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 Alrighty then. We oh, let's go back. That dog is bouncing this. Okay. Like back to something, you know? Goodbye. I'm back. One of my legs hitting the air. What does it do? It transforms to a dog. Can't do that. Cheater! Cheater. Life hacks. Yeah. There we go. Do I take damage from this? No, I don't. Okay. Because I was wondering what it from before if I was or not, but I wasn't. I'm safe. Steam. Yeah. No. Doggy's coming back. Make sure I'm not checking. I'm missing anything. No. Wow. What was that? It's a yellow crystal. See? Rabbit. Orange. Doesn't even look orange. It's yellow. Colorblind game? This game is colorblind. Sicko. Ow. Hey! Can't blast me. Ow. Die. your holocron. I don't agree. There we go. I am going the wrong way. Die. Happy birthday. Come. Just die. Die. You died first. Oh, you broke apart. Now you're done. Thank you very much. Blast away out of here. Not running into a wall. Thank you very much. Then I'm holocron, you see. Alright. Nope. Just. Okay. Alright, good. Pew pew pew.
You know me so when he mahaking
They will pay more.
Chuso
Wait, you suck.
Maranjungi ma
Oh no, you won't.
Wana Chichopa
Men are dead. Already. That's disappointing. Yeah, it's disappointing. I killed all your men, all your bombs, and the horse balls. That is something better. So go home, cry to your mommy. There. There you go. Enjoy some good of lightning for a second. No, you don't. Taste the force. No, I should say the dark side. Well, I keep saying the force, but I use the force. Well, force lightning, but I should say taste the dark side. Bye bye. I mean, I can't let you go to the other ground. Hey. Dude. Bye. Aha. There you go. Taste it. Taste it. That every single piece. There you go. Dude. Just go. I just stabbed her. As my finishing move, I stabbed her. Stabbed her to the ground. Well, I should say impaled. Yeah, I think it's pretty funny. Watch me take out your ship and I'll kill you. There you go. Dead. Bombs. What is that thing? Oh, I know what it is. I'm just saying. Saying just funny. Kill me. Alright, so. But I got a perfect plan for you guys. Goodbye. When you're angry at a dog, just throw him on the cliff. Just like that. Down. Yep. Take that. about to kill you too. Come on. Oh, turn to me. Nice. Alright. Ooh. 2 out of 3. Cool. Awesome. Alright, so before I go, let's upgrade some force powers to take on this Jedi. Alright. Shock. Wi-Fi information. BA. I'll take that. Alright, so we got enough, so let's go fight him. 4. Alright, we're good. Okay, let's go. Hello.
You dare invade the Jedi Temple? You dare challenge the Jedi at our home?
Of course I do. Alright. Here you dude. Have an electrical shock. There you go. Take your friend. Take your electrical shot. I thought I saw one of those blue things, that's what I was talking about. No, I don't want your hands wiggling much. Such as I do like and once again, I don't like your hand. Yeah, take off your head. There we go. Took down the light. Oh, there he is. Casting Planets with a double yellow lightsaber blades. And the DS version is one blade, one yellow blade, and then the PS3 version, those versions, it's one blue. So they really
After I
changed.
kill you, I'm going to tear down this temple.
We're gonna tear down this temple.
The younglings must be protected.
Like younglings. They're all dead. I'm making my
The younglings must be
Lightning, yes. Just die, Jedi. kill you. You can't tell me this. Focus. Yes, I'm shocked at you. Does that make you laugh? Very now, finish him off. There you go, finished it. I failed you.
Sorry, masters. I've failed you again.
And he's dead. He is dead.
Juno, I'm done here.
Yeah, I'm coming back now. You dropped your lightsaber.
My master, Kazd Imperatus, is dead.
Then your training is almost complete.
I am ready now.
No. You've defeated an old man and an outcast. There are more tests you must pass.
What tests?
Go to the Jedi Temple. Do not fail me.
And this way we have to go back to the Jedi Temple. It's actually pretty fun to do these Jedi Temple missions too. I want the new Force power, so. I also unlocked Maul in the dual mode. And blaster block ability increased. Cool. So, but that is all the time I have for this, so I'm gonna stop right there. So hope you enjoyed part 2 of Star Wars: The Force Unleashed on the Switch, which just came out the 20th. So, but anyways, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out the game for yourself on the Switch. So, but anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Alrighty, guys. Goodbye.